Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna tackle lipstick stains. Lipstick has the power to brighten your smile and pull an outfit together, but an accidental smudge can ruin your clothes. Lipstick stains are notoriously hard to remove. The combination of wax, oil and dye makes lipstick marks a real laundry nightmare, and some DIY tips can actually worsen the stain. If you get lipstick on carpet, upholstery or clothes, I will show you what to do. Put some cold water on the stain, then use a simple product you already have in your home. Toothpaste. Just dab some toothpaste on the stains, then rub with a toothbrush. Keep on rubbing and applying toothpaste until the stains are gone. You can see my lipstick stain disappeared immediately, but the lip gloss one is still there. This is because a matte lipstick stain is easier to treat than a stain from lipstick with a glossy finish, as matte lipstick has more wax and pigment than oil. Keep repeating the process until the stains are gone. A tip is to never use a napkin or a tissue to try to remove the lipstick before treating it. The stain will only get worse. Just use water and toothpaste and you are good to go. I just did some videos about removing different stains. If you're interested, I will link at the end of this video my stain removal playlist. There you can learn how to remove chocolate stains, ketchup and tomato sauce stains, pen stains, denim stains, grease and oil stains. Be sure to check out other videos like this. I have a lot of cleaning hacks videos on my channel to help you clean faster and easier. You can see the stains are completely gone. Now I will let the top air dry and you can see it's stain free. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!